It is about 7:15. The train to my left is the 7:35. It's going to take me to Lowestoft to begin this particular exploit. I've already thought of something I haven't got, and namely my power supplies. But I can buy some of those en route. So, nearly ready. Well, I can prove where I am. Definitely at Lowestoft. This swing bridge is just the other side of the railway. And back in the day, there was a member of train crew who went for a wander during a break across this bridge. Sadly, the bloody thing opened and they couldn't get back. That was a train that ran late. Okay, what have we got over there? This isn't a fashion parade. I'm in the middle of nowhere, there's no one around. I can look like what I want to look like, and I don't necessarily want to look like this, but I've got bald head and the sun's up. So I found a bit of a detour. There's a couple of very interesting little pillboxes a little bit back from the cliff edge on a tree line. So I'm going to go up and have a little look. About 17 miles in and over kind of there-ish. There is Sizewell nuclear power station. This Bergen weighs 3.5 stone, and after 17 best part miles, I can feel it. The purpose of this trip was to work out where my fitness levels are and how much kit I can carry for 20 miles a day. Now, I've done that, and the simple answer is I can't carry this much for 20 miles a day for more than a day, maybe two. So what I need to do is have a good old sort out through this Bergen. But prior preparation prevents poor performance, and thus hopefully I'm ahead of the curve, rather than find this out 2 days into the trip with 160 miles still to go. And I am, dying on my backside carrying this thing. It's damn heavy. Sure, 30 miles in 2 days is not bad, but just down that way is Saxmundham Station, where I am going to get on the train. And well, there is one thing that I can do, and I can do it right here, right now, in the middle of this field. I can dump this on the floor. Well, how do I feel getting rid of 3.5 stone? Flipping brilliant.